How's it going, everyone? Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, this is a live look at the E-mini futures here on the 1 minute time frame this morning. Three great sell signals in the market. One here, one middle of the chart, and then one that we just ended up getting here that was at about 9:58. You guys, great entries. Before we go over and do some technical analysis here with you live, and then potentially get into a position here to show you real-time positions and data, I want to give a shout out to everyone who just joined in the last 24 hours. Robert, Michael, Lyndon, Pros, Ian, Maria, Noah, Josiah, Ming, Sandeep, John, Carrie, Kucho, Ron, Robert, Craig, Philip, and John. Thank you guys so much for joining just in the last 24 hours. If you guys haven't done so already and you're following me here on YouTube or you're new to this channel, head over just to myfuturesuccess.com or click the link below. This will give you direct access to all these metrics and you can follow along with what I'm showing you every single day. Just go over here and click I want this. This will give you all the metrics. Take a look at our 5-star ratings. Take a look at our customer reviews that have just come in here within this last week or so. So take a look at that when you get a second, and then follow along here when I do my YouTube videos so you can replicate this process yourself in the market. And at the end of the day, what do we all want to do? We want to try to make some extra money. So let's do an analysis right now. Let's go over these metrics with you and see if there's a position that we could get into. Overall, the first thing I do is a top-down method of linear regression and then dashboard. I have this set to 100, so everyone who has just bought these metrics, I want you to go over to inputs and put this to 100. That's going to tell you on the past 100 candles, are we trading bullish, bearish, or consolidating? Best way to do this, analogy I gave someone yesterday in a one-on-one call that I did. If you guys are ever interested in one-on-one training, I do this as well. But if you were to stick a ball right here, let's say a metal ball, which way would it roll? This would be rolling down. So if it's rolling down, I want you to only be looking for sells in the market because that means you're overall trading with that trend. This is your selling pressure in the market. This is your buying pressure in the market, okay? The second thing you do is you go down here and you take a look at this middle band and overall metrics. This white line is going to show you money that's either flowing into the market, that's when price likes to increase, or money flowing out of the market, that's when price likes to decrease. So when you get these sell signals and buy signals, but sell signals specifically on this chart, this means all your metrics are in combination. Money's flowing out of the market. This middle band here is solid red, showing bearish momentum within a specific time frame. And you also get these bigger green and red dots, which are key EMA crossovers, either to the upside or to the downside. Green meaning up, red meaning down. So if you have all of your metrics in combination, money flowing out, EMA crossover to the downside, and your middle band solid red, this is where you want to just be either staying within that trade or looking for a potential reversal with it. So let's say, for example, here we would have got into this trade for a sell. You could have entered here on candle close, and what you would have looked out for is to stay within this trade until this middle band switches over to green. Typically here on the 1 minute time frame, if you guys are following me here on this channel, I like to go for 2 ticks in the market. If you're trading on the 2 minute time frame, I like to go for 1 point or 4 ticks. This one in particular would have still run and did run the couple ticks in the market for profit, but you can tell right afterwards what happened. We end up getting a green dot here saying to look to get out of that trade. If you had still been in that trade, this is where you just wouldn't be looking to get out of it. So you would have capitalized on a profit, great, secure it. But if you're looking to hold longer, this is just an indication to be able to get out. You can tell what's happening right now on our dashboard where when you're in these green buying zones, this is the zone in the market where you can typically see reversals in a trend. Now, what is our overall trend right now? It's bearish, okay? Of course, we have sell signals illuminated, but you'll tell when these signals and these Hiekin Ashi candles, over the time, it's going to take in 100 candles from the recent one. So you'll actually notice this linear regression either go bullish to bearish to consolidating, and it'll actually move with the market because it's going to take into account the last price action that's happening. So it's still bearish right now. It's almost at a point where we're looking to actually get a consolidating back and forth. So when you're consolidating, you can actually put on buy signals into the market and take a look. Right now, we actually have a buy signal illuminated right now on our chart that's saying money's flowing in, green middle band, green key EMA crossover. This could be a great spot to be entering in. What I typically like to do is either wait for candle close or for a nice quick little pullback to be able to enter in to almost in a sense get this on discount. Okay, so this has 10 seconds left, 9 seconds left. Let's stay here live with you. If this candle closes and this stays with a buy signal, then I want to enter in on this and see exactly what happens. There we go. Candle close by market. Let's go ahead and do this with you. You can hear order filled in the back. This is on the 1 minute time frame. I do want to adjust this down to a couple ticks. This will equate to a $100 profit in the market. Trading with 4 locks, it's $50 per tick. So buy signal illuminated. Right now, you guys can tell linear regression is so close. It is literally almost parallel on the chart, which is the only reason why I switched this over to buy and sell signals. Right before this, it was more tilted to be bearish, but since we just kind of converted it over here and we're getting a little bit of push with all of our metrics in line, that's where I want to be looking at capitalizing on just a small little profit here if we can get this to push a little bit higher. This is a great look of a Hiekin Ashi candle when you have these big bodies on the bottom and you have a wick out the top. That's just showing really bullish momentum in that time period. There we go. Order filled over here on the right, taking out a couple ticks in the market here on the 1 minute time frame. This is exactly what I want to try to teach you guys here on YouTube. This ended up running, take a look at this, guys. This ended up running another few ticks to a point in the market. So yes, could you have made more on this trade? Yes, but please just do this. I would rather you stick to the metrics. Look how, oops, sorry guys. Look how sideways this is now. Perfectly buying pressure, selling pressure in the market. That's why I switched this over to it. You could have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades on here that would have panned out. This one right here, I'm going to level with you, and this you might have been able to get a couple ticks. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. You potentially could have got that, but let's just say you didn't. So that means you've won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7 trades. Now, if on the 1 minute time frame, you're just going and trading with 4 lots for 2 ticks, that's $700 profit. So you guys can see what I try to teach, what I do with my one-on-one training is I'm teaching don't go for these big trades. I want you to be consistent. If you can pull out 7 to 8 out of 10 trades and you're consistently able to make profit on that, you are doing better than 90% of traders out there. Follow the metrics on your chart. Be patient for things to pan out. This is live time, guys, right now. I can't go back. I can literally try to do this and do bar replay, and it'll actually show caution down here. Bar replay is not available. This is all done in live time narrating. When you grab these metrics over at My Future Success, or just click the link in the description, go over to this time yourself. Everyone who I just did a shout out to, go over to your charts right now, right when you see this video, even if it's later today or tomorrow. This is exactly 10:13. Hiekin Ashi candles, 1 minute time frame, 10:13. I want you to see this exact entry yourself, because this is one that you could have played out following the rules with this system. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please email me with anything you need. Honestly, guys, I am here to help you any way possible. Everyone who's joined my team and done a one-on-one training and has done so already can vouch that I'm here to help you guys. I'm a person. You guys, little personal information. I literally just got blood drawn this morning. I hate getting blood drawn. I hate needles. I'm scared of needles. So I had to get that done this morning. If you're afraid of needles and you don't like them, put a comment below. Let's just have some fun. Let's make this personal too. I want you to know that I'm a human on the other side of this. But you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll keep doing educational videos like this every single week to help out as many people as we possibly can, help make some extra money in the market. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.